1 Peter chapter 2 verse 24. He himself bore our sins, in his body on the cross, so that we might die to sins and live for righteousness. By his wounds you have been healed. Psalms chapter 41 verse 3. The Lord sustains them on their sickbed and restores them from their bed of illness. Jeremiah chapter 30 verse 17. But I will restore you to health and heal your wounds, declares the Lord, because you are called an outcast, Zion for whom no one cares. James chapter 5 verse 15. And the prayer offered in faith will make the sick person well, the Lord will raise them up. If they have sinned, they will be forgiven. Proverbs chapter 17 verse 22. A cheerful heart is good medicine, but a crushed spirit dries up the bones. Psalms chapter 147 verse 3. He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. Jeremiah chapter 33 verse 6. Behold, I will bring it health and cure, and I will cure them, and will reveal unto them the abundance of peace and truth.